Toyota's audio system is absolutely garbage. JBL stands for junk but loud. Now today we're going to be installing our ENA333 plug-and-play amplifier in today's Tacoma. Now this Tacoma, we've already installed our Norix plug-and-play audio replacement speakers, which are a direct fit. There's no splicing, there's no cutting or anything like that required. And I want to make the audio system a whole lot better with our ENA333 amplifier that we'll be installing today. Let's get it installed. Now that we're inside the vehicle, first thing we're going to remove is this plastic panel right behind the screen. So go ahead and grab a plastic panel removal tool, stick it in here, and just carefully pry this piece up, okay? It's only being held in by clips, so might take some force. After that is up, go ahead and grab a 10mm ratchet and socket. There's 4 10mm bolts right here and here, 2 on each side, okay? Let's go ahead and remove those. All right, just remove these 4 10mm. If you guys can, get magnetic sockets, please. It's like the best tip I can ever give you guys. Make sure you guys don't lose your bolts, nuts, whatever you're working on. I understand they're pretty pricey, but if you work on cars a lot, it's pretty worth it. And if you guys do have magnetic sockets, let me know what works best for you guys, what brand, okay? These are just some like generic Amazon ones that we use, but I could always use suggestions for new stuff. But the 4 10mm removed, go ahead and grab a thick blanket, jacket, towel, whatever you got, protect your interior. Next, we're gonna remove the screen and pull it out towards us, okay? All right, grab the screen and pull. Ah, just kidding. Okay, and then this will carefully expose our connections back here. I'm gonna go ahead and scoot the towel up. And the 2 connectors our ENA333 amplifier we are gonna be working with is this gray connector here and this black connector here. Now these connector colors may look different in your vehicle, so if you're looking straight at the radio, top down, it's gonna be the bottom right 2 connectors you're gonna be working with, okay? It's this one and this one. Now you can use your hand and push the release tabs up top, like I am doing so here. Okay, but if you do struggle, sometimes you can use the plastic panel removal tool. Use your hand, push down on the release tab, and use the panel removal tool to just push it out with leverage, okay? Like so. Perfect. This is our plug and play wiring harness, and this will pretty much just daisy chain with the factory wiring harness. So that goes into here and plugs right back into place behind the radio. And it may look like it's in, but it's not in, okay? Make sure you push it in all the way till you hear a click, okay? Just like so. And we'll do the same with the black connector. Let's plug it in. And this side goes to the radio. All right, and we'll re-plug in our 2 factory connectors we removed here to get access. Just like that, we're done. All that's left to do, amplifier here, and this white connector is our high level input. We'll plug it in here. And this gray one, we'll go ahead and plug in to the gray. Okay. And this is a separate remote wire output for your aftermarket subwoofer or amp if you wish to use the RCA outputs on the ENA3. Okay. Next, let's go ahead and mount our amplifier. So if you take a look, straight behind the radio, there's this huge pocket here, okay? This is a 2024 Toyota Tacoma non-JBL, so it doesn't have that center speaker. So we are just going to go ahead and put the amplifier just like so back here, okay? Now, our kit does include some foam tape, which I will go ahead and use shortly to go ahead and wrap up the amplifier. And yeah, that concludes our installation. Let's just put everything back once I put the foam tape on and we're good to go. All right, now that the amp is nicely padded, let's go ahead and put the radio and the wiring harness back in. Perfect. Give it a good firm push. Then all that's left to do is just bolt it back up. That's it, guys. That's how you easily install our plug and play amplifier. Let's go ahead and grab this missing panel and clip it right back in. That's it, guys. Super easy. And just like that, I just showed you guys how easy it was to install our ENA3T3 in the Toyota Tacoma. Now realistically, it takes us about 30-ish to an hour, and very, very easy to install, and pairing it with aftermarket speakers, such as our Norix plug and play audio speakers, just makes everything sound a whole lot better. And remember, it does have RC outputs for additional audio expansion, such as subwoofer, even another amp. But thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you guys hit the subscribe button if you guys haven't already. Hit that like button, leave us a comment down below. See you guys in the next video.
Look, I don't take no loss, it's simple. Stand up, guy, want 10 toes. Looking in the mirror, who better than me? Got their hands high, tell them that I'm out of their reach. I know I want a few M's, so I'm